welcome back to my YouTube channel at Ayana Supreme. I am doing a lock tutorial. I also do wig reviews, but this is a lock tutorial on a style that I did a lot back in like 2015, 2016. It's a 3-part style. So I put the middle section in a bun, and in the back I make like invisible 2 sections and cornrow each of those sections down. I have my braids facing upward. I'm not doing an inward braid, although I could, but I am not. Okay, and I do have a kitchen. I'm a black girl. Welcome, welcome to my kitchen. Grab a plate. I love this style. I think it's so flattering, and I think it's appropriate for all occasions, and I think that all ages can rock this style. Okay, so I am braiding my braid all the way down. Sometimes when I get off of my neck, I kind of like struggle to braid the rest of it all the way down in the same way. But it doesn't really matter how the end looks because it won't be dangling down or anything like that. Okay. Then I move over to the next side and braid that down as well in the same direction. I'm doing an outward braid. I'm just showing you a little bit of how my hair looks. My hair is super thin, literally. That is the reason why my hair can grow super long and I can still wear wigs and everything like that, is because my hair is so thin. Trust me. There's a lot of girls who have hair that is even shorter than mine, but their hair is thicker than mine, so they don't necessarily have the option to do these things in the same way that I can pull it off. So even if a girl is locked and she has thin locks, she may have thin locks but thick hair. So I have small to maybe medium size locks. My locks are not sister locks, obviously, but they're pretty small, and I also have a low density amount of hair. So with that, I could still try different things out. And so I'm almost at the end of this braid, and as I said before, mommy has a kitchen. Okay, so I'm gonna end this braid. It doesn't need to be 100% perfect because, as I stated before, it's not going to be dangling down. So at this part of the hair style, I'm going to take pins and pin it. Okay, as I said before, that this hair will not be dangling down. It's, I guess you could say, more of an updo. As I said before, super elegant. and perfection is not necessarily required. Okay, so I'm just gonna pin those up and get that out of the way, and then tend to the section that is in the center of my head. Now I have reached the center section of my hair. What I'm going to do is just braid it. Now, you know, you don't always have to braid it. Sometimes I do a bun with this, you know, but when I use a bun with this, being that my hair is so thin, literally, like, I can even use, like, you know, like one of the bun makers in it. It literally can show through because that's how thin my hair is. So I decided to braid it down just like I did the braids in the back. And just look at that. I think that is so cute. Like, literally, if I would have left the braid just like this going down and added some gold to it, it would have been super cute. But this is not one of those styles. I could do it again, perhaps, but just not for this video. So I'm just gonna braid it down. And once this braid is complete, if you have locks, you already know the tuck game has to be serious. Although, again, I don't really stress myself out about these things. If I see it, I'll tuck it. If I don't see it, then that means that I missed it. But I can see this very clearly. So I will tuck in the stragglers to give the braid a more uniform look. In this section here, I'm just like playing around with how I would like the bun to fall. How would I like it to look? I like this very much. It's very artistic, but I'm not necessarily going for artistic right now. I'm going for something that is, you know, everyday wearable, essentially. I'm not doing a photo shoot where I'm trying to be like a Vogue magazine kind of situation. I want something wearable for every day. And then I leave the two parts in the front. I did not do that before. I used to braid them as well, and then I would spray it, and then like spray it with water, and then I would wear it overnight, and then I would take my scarf off, and then I would have like it super curly in the front. But I'm not doing that. This is it's fine enough. This is an old-ish braid out, so it's wavy enough, and I think it's so elegant, so cute to me. Like, I love this style so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am on other platforms as well. So check out my link tree, check out my Instagram, TikTok, and everything else. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.